Hi everyone! So, for today's video, we're just gonna talk about, hulaan nyo. Charot. Actually, these past days, my plate right now, or my life, is so full of things that I need to focus on. Well, yes. And this past weeks, nag-ayos ako ng mga pag-ibig, SSS, PhilHealth. So those things needed siya when you're applying for a job. And then this game, I think I just, risked it. Oh my gosh, risked it. Ang cute na no. So this is what happened. By the way, nakaupo ako sa KitKat chair. Ayaw mo maniwala. Ayaw mo. Wait, papakita ko sa'yo mamaya. See? This is the KitKat chair. And it's not just one, but it's two. What? And, actually, ang cute ng place na to. Dito sa bandang likod. Or, yeah, parang park. And banabining pusa. So, basically, here, diba? You have many options to choose when you graduated senior high school here in the Philippines. So, kaya nga in-implement yung K-12 because wala na dapat matatambay after ng senior high school. Like, you could choose na mag-college, of course, or magtrabaho na, or mag-TESDA, or mag-business. So, you have a lot of options. And my usual plan talaga is to go to college. Of course, I want to finish my studies, so. But then, I just tried once, to apply for a job, which is, this job isn't that madali na sabihin mo kasi this job is a service crew job. And so, what are the odds na I got accepted sa in-applyan ko, and now, I am deciding if I will continue studying. So, I mean, it's like there is two options that I can choose. My option first is I'll take the job, and then mag-working student ako. But then, mahirap ang course ko. So, I don't know if I will. Parang hindi ko alam kung kaya ko ba yung mag-working student. Which is, this came our second option, which is I will work for a year, and then let's see if things will work. And magka-college na lang ako after a year. So, many people told me na, bakit ka pa mag-stop? Pwede ka na mag-working student. But then, I just don't want na sabay-sabay lahat ng mga pangyayari sa life ko. So, alam mo, hindi importante sa akin yung college. Hindi importante sa akin na makapagtapos ako ng pag-aaral. Okay, I want to finish my studies. I want to go to college, okay? Which is, I can go if I want to. But then, I want to have a break first, maybe. Kasi, ayan, parang gusto ko rin kumuha ng experience. Gusto ko rin kumuha ng, try something and just do it for the plot and let's see what will happen. So, yeah, life update. This is my life right now, currently. Yeah. So, and also, sabi nga, di ba, hindi naman karera ang buhay. So, it's your own timeline, it's your own, just do whatever will work for you. So, yeah, and I think, yun yung mag-work sa akin. So, yeah.